presentation in brief, which is speaking about the investment opportunity for textile industry in Libya. In brief introduction, the most important development country interested during the last years how to encourage foreign investment in their countries. Many countries became competitive to provide facility and incentives that more helpful to investment. Libya enjoyed distinguished geographical position by overlooking the Mediterranean Sea and connecting the African and European continent. It is thus considered the main seaport of Africa. And this is the map of Libya. It's known for everybody. Moreover, it enjoys a favorable investment climate with many raw materials available in abundance locally, as well as energy sources, commercial seaport and airport. The investment is known for all of us. I think we are scientific people and we know the investment, so no need to go in. The investment is divided in two parts: direct foreign investment and indirect foreign investment. Direct foreign investment is corporation part for investment project, participation in management in case of joint investment or full control over project, and so on. Transformation, quality, financial resource, technology, and technical experience in all fields to the host country. Indirect is not completely, but license contract, marketing contract, manufacture contract. I will go to the next point. Role of the foreign investment in economic development of the country. Maximizing benefits, minimizing costs, bringing specific advantages in country with scarce domestic savings or inadequate credit. Can act as a valuable supplementary source of finance. Foreign investors may bring important additional benefit for the host country business environment. Investment in Libya. There is strong interest in investing in Libya. This interest is slowly translating into commercial activity, and the investors are facing a number of questions. Two interested parties. How do we invest in Libya? Do we establish a new company in Libya, a branch office, or appoint an agent? Can profits be repatriated? Can we employ foreign staff, or must we employ only local nationals? Turning point of this question was adoption of law number 5 in 1997 concerning encouragement of foreign capital investment. The aim of this law is to attract investment of the foreign capital investment project within the framework of general policy of the state and of the objectives of economic and social development, and particular transfer of modern technology, training, delivering technical personnel, diversification of income resource, contribution of the development of the national project as so to help in their entry into the international market. Law number 5 specifically related to the investment in the industry, health, tourism, service and agriculture. The type of investment encouraged includes machinery, equipment, tools, spare parts and raw materials, transport, means unavailable locally. Law number 5 was amended last year. The amendments allowed co-investment between Libya and the foreign partner. To facilitate foreign investment administration the system, supervision of the application process, the authority of encouragement of foreign investment was established under the name of Libyan Foreign Investment Board. Libyan Foreign Investment Board, it was established as a key of component of the investment law number 5. The main objective of the board are to provide advising, information and supporting for investors, identifying and promoting investment opportunity, receive and considering the application for foreign capital investment, issuing license as well as obtaining approvals required for investment project. In brief, her aim is to provide a one-stop shop for foreign investors and to help cut through red tape. Now, the investment climate in Libya is most favorable more than before because the effort Libyan Foreign Investment Board, where 100 actual projects were established from 1/1/2000 to 13/3/2005. The investment cost this big money shared between the local and the foreign investment, with a percentage of 14.5 locally and 85.5 foreign. These projects were approved for industry, tourism, agriculture, health and service sector with the percentage shown in the following figure. This is in brief, industry take about 62%. Industrial section strategy, concern of industrial zone development zone, increase productivity, quality and capacity of industrial enterprises, attraction of direct foreign investment, increase industrial input of national origin, increase the participation of the private sector in manufacturing industry. Textile industry in Libya, which is very bad situation, of course. Textile industry is considered one of the transformation industry. Upon the strategy of the result of gross domestic product, we find that the highest percentage of GDP is incorporated by transformation industry by 9.5, while the textile industry present is 6.2 of the transformation industry. We therefore find that this industry does not have significant importance in the GDP. It is then an industry without a significant effect on national economy in Libya. The textile industry is considered as an industry that depends on importing for most of its needs, beginning from raw material up to the operation necessity. No raw material is available except wool, from coarse type that is only used for carpets. Annual production of raw wool in Libya is estimated by 10,000. This amount tons with an increase or decrease rate 10%. However, raw material of other products are imported from abroad. Government textile sector included 3 companies. This company were affiliated by 15 big and intermediate factories for production of different kinds of textile products, beginning from wool to ready-made garments. 82 production units which were affiliated to this company were privatized and have been possessed by its employee in the form of production partnership. 681 partnership of different textile industry. Most of these partnership and units are specialized in producing different ready-made garments and house necessity. Libya pushed textile industry towards privatization and suggestion of joint operation for existence factory application. As a result of this idea, one of the 3 companies cancelled and all the factories which were followed to her administration. Now they are followed to their location cities administration Sharia. This is the name of Libya. The objective of textile industry in Libya. The condition of size imposed in Libya within the last year were negatively reflected on textile industry and caused a lot of problems. To be summarized in the following: difficulty of providing raw material, depreciation difficulty of performing maintenance and updating of some machine, the method that does not lead to realization the target. Production from most of factory, decrease of scientifically qualified technical and specialized manpower together with technical predominance of importance company and only giving sample training course during operation. The investment in textile industry, I am right, yes? Law number 5 granted exception for the objective of guarantee which encourage flow of foreign capital. This exception helped investment in textile sector through the industrial facilities such as machine, spare parts, primary raw material and so on, as shown in the following point. Exception of machine equipment and apparatus necessary for executing the project from all fees, custom taxes and taxes of similar effect. Exception of fitting spare parts and primary raw material necessary for operating the project of all fees and custom taxes imposed on imported fees and other taxes of similar effect for a period of 5 years. Exception of the project from income taxes for its activity for a period of 5 years as of the date of start of production. This period may be extended to the additional period of 3 years by virtue of a decision by the General People Committee. Exception of article directed exporting from production tax, fee and taxes imposed on exporting when exported. Exception of the project from stamp fee due the commercial and user document. Law provides necessary protection and security for investor against nationalization, deposition and compulsory occupation, confiscation, guardianship and custody. Exception of article directed for exporting from products tax, fees and taxes imposed on exported when exported. Exception of the project from the stamp fee due the commercial and user document. Law provides necessary protection and security for the investor again. I repeat it again. Deposition, compulsory occupation. Okay, sorry. Also, the role of textile industry in Libya last year has experienced a case of decadence due to the problem referred to above. Also, the role of a strong competition of a product of other country in addition to the law of international trade organization, which opened the entry door for varied products without limitation. The method that made Libya push textile industry toward privatization and suggestion of the idea joint operation of existing factory. Application, we have here two tables show industrial project affiliated to textile sector and suggested for joint operation. This is the table number 1. Of course, this is fine in my CD. The name of the factory and the affiliation and the product type and design capacity. All of this, they are requested to be cooperation with the foreign investment. This is 2002. The modest one is table number 2, which shows textile factory affiliated to Sharia and suggested to join for operation. Not completely, this is investment, but some of them need development for capital, some of them need production development, some of them not completely, maybe you can say as indirect investment. It is noted out of the shown project suggested for investment in Libya, there are 2 projects with big importance in textile industry in order to cover needs of existing factory from spins rather than being imported from abroad. Polypropylene spin project with production capacity of 50,000 tons per year and local raw material of 80%. Acrylic and acrylonitrile manufacture project with production capacity of 50,000 tons of acrylic and 90,000 tons of polyacrylonitrile. Sorry, it's not written now. Conclusion. All countries have become competing to capture the satisfaction of foreign investors and present several advantages to attract investment. Due to important change in nature of production, immense scientific and technical progress, which resulted in very wide increase of production capacity for textile industry. Also, scientific and technical progress in communication and computer field provided big ability to realize efficient management of remote units spread all over the world. This propagation had the foreign investment and production role that is different from its previous role. Benefit shall be got from investment in development of national economy by employment of national power and exploitation of raw material and advancement and development industry. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry.